Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today, we're checking out the HANYCONY Surge Protector Power Strip, a compact and powerful charging solution for your home or office. This is a 12-in-1 charging station with 8 AC outlets and 4 USB ports, including 2 USB-C, letting you power multiple devices at once without clutter. The wide-spaced outlets make it easy to plug in bulky adapters without blocking others. You also get smart USB charging, with USB-C ports delivering up to 5V/3A, perfect for phones, tablets, and everyday gadgets. Safety is a big plus here. It comes with 1080J surge protection and overload protection, helping protect your devices from spikes and voltage fluctuations. The design is super practical too, featuring a flat plug and 5 feet braided cord, making it easy to fit behind furniture and keep your setup clean. Plus, it's wall-mountable, so you can organize your desk or workspace neatly. Overall, the HANYCONY Power Strip is a great pick if you want a space-saving, safe, and versatile charging hub for multiple devices. If you want to grab it for the best price, make sure to click the link below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.